whakapapa back to Te Kōpiri and several other rangatira that come from out of the rohe of Taiamai, which happens to be the Bay of Islands and surrounding areas.
Iwi and Hapu were independent entities, so that Ngāpuhi made decisions for Ngāpuhi, Ngāti Whātua made decisions for Ngāti Whātua, and no one could impinge on that independence.
So there's an articulation of a grand idea. Te whakaminenga o ngā hapu is the grand idea of the Declaration of Independence, because they knew, on the advice of Busby and others, you can't claim independence unless you have a coherent body that does the claiming.
And so He Whakaputanga was a statement to the world of that fact, and a statement also of the awareness by our old people that there is a big wide world out there, and that to meet the challenges of that new world, there is perhaps a need to find other ways of exercising that independence.
How come from the Bay of Islands to far south as Aotearoa Bluff, they all had the common mind, from Tuhawaiki to the Hongi Hikas, and that can only be explained because these characters were meeting each other on a regular basis.
Oh, I imagine that these rangatira were only just the generation of their time. Their fathers had also been meeting with many nations and many tribes that were coming in to their port of trade, i.e. today the Bay of Islands. I imagine that there were lots of meetings happening that would lead up to the establishing He Whakaputanga, or the Declaration of Independence, on the 28th of October 1835.